Hey, honey. Yeah, I just got back. Oh, yeah, it was a little bit of a rough day. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What do you think we're gonna do for dinner? Yeah, that sounds good. I was, oh, sorry. I was thinking we could maybe order in rather than going out. I'm a little tired. Oh, I'm sorry. Thanks, babe. Yeah. Um, yeah, I just, after working all day, I just kind of want to curl up and not have to go out and handle traffic and things like that. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I guess it went away. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Something tickled me. How was your day? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's great. Mm. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. My nose keeps tickling. Must have gotten into some dust. No, no, I feel okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm just tired. Uh, Probably just allergies setting in. People can have allergies in the winter. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go get washed up and then we can figure out where we're gonna order from, okay? Okay. Oh, oh, thanks. You heard that. No, no, I'm fine. I don't sound stuffy. It's okay. I just sneezed. No, I really I'm okay. Like I said, it's just a little stuffy. Why are you looking at me like that? No, I don't need a tissue. I'm okay. Okay. No. I'm not gonna sneeze again. Oh. Well, just because you made me think about it. Ugh. Oh, bless me. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I'll just blow my nose. It's fine. No, I don't need to use your hanky. It's okay. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh. There, see? All better. We're good. There. So pizza, Chinese, Thai, what are you thinking? You thinking I should sit down? Well, we can sit down and figure it out. Everything's... Wait. Sorry. Uh, no, I'm fine. No. Um, I probably should work on some stuff tonight, but otherwise I can eat whatever. Yeah, I've got to work. You know the big presentation's coming up. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't gotten a lot of sleep, I guess. No. No, I'm not. I don't need to sneeze. I just had a little tickle. Oh, I'm. Oh, oh, baby, I'm not sick. I promise. I can't get sick right now. You know I have the presentation soon. Oh, no, I don't need you to take my temperature. You're so sweet, but no, I'm really okay. I don't know what this is. Okay. Sure. Yeah, I'll take some tea. Are you gonna have some anyway? Okay. I swear I'm okay. It's all right. I just have to get this work done. And then I can be sick, but I'm not. I don't No, I don't think I feel warm. Wait. Stand back. It's okay. Sorry, I didn't want to sneeze on you. Okay. Now you can feel. I don't feel warm. It's okay. No, you don't need to. Oh, thanks, babe. No, I'm not kissing you. I just haven't yet. No, I'm not trying not to get you sick because I'm not sick. Just stuffy or something. You know, allergies. No, you don't come closer. No, I don't know. Wait. Hold on, I think I'm... Okay, false alarm. Yeah, the tea's ready? Sure. I'd love some. That'll probably help clear my sinuses anyway. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of blow my nose here. Ah, there we go. Now some hot tea and everything will be fine. Oh. Oh, this is really good. Thanks, babe. That's exactly what I needed. Yeah, I'll probably go to bed a little early after I get all this work done. No, I can't. I can't take a day off. Everybody is... Sorry. Everybody is expecting me in because I have to get this done. Yeah. Yeah. I can handle it. Oh, damn it. Achoo. Oh. Achoo. Oh. Oh. Baby, I think I'm sick. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks. I love you.